High school students from Spokane Public Schools and other districts took part in construction career days at the Spokane Interstate Fairgrounds this week. Hosted by the Inland Northwest chapter of the Associated General Contractors of America, the event gives students a chance to learn more about career paths into the construction trades and to do so in a very hands-on way.
I can go in the classroom and talk to them about it, and it's not very interesting, but when they get to get out here and operate a dozer or roller or the nail gun or lace a brick, that really makes an impact on them. It's something they're always going to remember.
It's a win-win situation for everyone involved, as potential employers in the trades can all gather in one place with eager teenagers seeking advice and dreaming about opportunities in the not-so-distant future.
It's the industry coming together in partnership with the schools, so the AGC is involved, the ABC, the home builders, the unions, other apprenticeship programs, companies who are hiring.
With rising tuition costs, many high school grads are looking toward trade apprenticeship programs as a career path. As a result, opportunities for kids like this career day have never been more important.
I think we're making a lot of headway in that area. Now we need to connect the dots for them. Say, okay, yeah, maybe I don't want to go to college. Maybe I do want to pursue a trade. So how do we connect them to that next step?
Want to learn more about connecting a student's passion to a career pathway? Just head to our website, spokaneschools.org/CTE.